Well, guys, good to have everybody back. Hope everybody's safe and secure. Times are rough out there. We know that. We had some problems last week. It was some issues with one of the cameras, and for some reason, again, I think I explained it at the end of that when we published it last week, but I'll go over it again. We missed all of the steps to putting these reinforcers on the outside of the bridge area. These and these, and cutting them out. We did take pictures, so those will be included in the kit eventually when we finish and we publish it. I'll see if I can do, when I do my actual build myself, I'll go back and edit it all up, and or have Astro edit it up and get it out to y'all so you can still have this piece of the puzzle. Obviously, it's important. But it's kind of self-explanatory too for anybody who's done this stuff, building old model airplanes or whatever. The pieces will be numbered, and they pretty much will only fit where they'll fit. So, but anyway, I'm sorry about that, but we're trying to move on forward so we can get this done. All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to finish the bottom parts of these formers are here. Now, I purposely went on and cut these apart because my original design, now it's in the model, but my original design didn't have the flying sub hanger here. So what we're doing is we're going to cut these to profile to here, so I'll know what I'm doing to put the pattern back into the kit. I know that's not really the way to design, but you know, it was kind of a beat to fit situation because I didn't realize to the last minute I'd missed it. And as I showed you in a previous video, these doors do work. They'll slide in and out for the sub to come in and out. It appears we got the depth right here. We really won't be able to gauge that too well either until we build our miniature flying sub to stick in there. If we get any clearance problems, we may raise the height of this before we release the model, but again, not a big deal. The process will still be pretty much what I'm showing you now, except you won't be measuring these pieces off to contour for this. Because that profile will already be correct to accommodate this with this. And also I found out I really didn't need to cut these apart either. If I had that profile in there, it would have fit. You know, lots of things, you live and burn. So we're again moving forward, and we hope you enjoy what you're seeing. Sorry for the inconveniences, because again, you know, we're still kind of learning ourselves. For years I did this stuff and had fans, people that followed me, you know, and they ask a lot of questions, and I think maybe showing what I'm doing might help alleviate some of those questions when people try to build my work. It's very flattering to have people build my work. I don't have a problem with that at all, obviously. You know, it's a sort of an ego boost, but I realize that there's a lot of people that have questions, and I couldn't answer all the questions, so maybe this will help to answer those. Hope I'm not mumbling too much. Let's get started, and again, like, share, and subscribe. Go back and look at some of the stuff we've done before if you haven't already, and enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, folks, as you can see, the contours here are a little funky, but they're going to be all right because once the cladding for the top comes around and the nose is on, this all looks right. It's just kind of weird right now. As you can see, these pieces have all gone in and they're forming up to start that. They're forming up to start that manna look. All right. And where the door slots were, we're going to be recutting these as we plan to do at the start anyway. And we're going to have to make a slit inside the formers too so that these doors can retract correctly. Okay, but we're on our way to finishing up the nose now. Next week, we'll put the rest of the formers in the back here. We'll have our camera situation worked out too, so we'll have two cameras and hopefully give you some better views. Sorry for the issues, but we're getting there. Just growing pains, and please keep watching and work with us. We're going to get the cladding on the top here started next week too, and then we'll be plugging this onto the fuselage of the sub itself, and we'll put all of our forming pieces on the sides. We've still got this piece and the ray to go on the front. It was I really haven't gotten a straight answer on what that was on the front, whether it was just a searchlight or some type of a weapon. But either way, we're going to render it as close as we can in the media that we're working on to what the model or what the filming models actually look like. Again, sorry about everything looking a little rough too, but it's a beta model. I hope you enjoyed this, and we're going to get our act together, and we look forward to seeing you again. Please take a look at what we've done before if you haven't already, and keep on watching. Like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate you. Enjoy.